Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Please like and subscribe as we build this channel up and climb the hill of YouTube. Thanks for joining me today. We're in the Upper West Side of New York, and we're looking at a $65 million property, and it is a beauty. Let's take a look. Let's roll it. And as you can see, incredible balcony. We're looking out over the views, but look at the frontage here. We'll see it in the daytime. Beautiful rounded frontage, wonderful masonry work. Lovely use of detail and design in this ye olde home at $65 million. It certainly is impressive. Nice wide angle indeed. And we see all this lattice work here, very nice, and very sharp edges on this fence. But a lovely entry coming in. A stately home commanding itself along the street. Again, a steel door for security, but mainly for looks, of course, in this case. What a stunner. The vines running up here too. It's a wonderful welcome, even the detail around this window here and so forth. Very nice as we head on through. Inside we go, up some stairs, which are timber with a slight parquet feel. A beautiful sculpture picture here on the left out of, looks like a metal material versus timber. Then there's a wonderful runner up the staircase, and what a beautiful and classy end this has too. Detail carving on this timber stand post there. So very nice indeed. Arched all the way along here as well with these columns. Very nice indeed. There's some timber features there as well. Inside we go. It's the music room, and there's nothing like a piano. Beautiful piano here. A chandelier as well, and this wonderful parquet floor. It is simply delicious on this $65 million home. Here in the Upper West Side, there's that timber detailing below the columns all the way along as a room divider from the hallway into this sitting room. Beautiful designer leather chairs here and a wonderful stone table there as well. Look at that. Simply amazing. Walking on in there to your house, you feel great. You've got this incredible light fitting going through. It really is quite stunning. And there, look at that shot. Pulling back, we see the designer furnishings. We see the arches, the masonry work, detail. It's beautiful, it's fine. The chandelier looks classy as well. It really does bring it all home. Into the other end, and we see wood paneling. There's a library feel and this incredible ceiling feature here and detailed carving as well. What an impressive home. The detail is just simply wonderful. Look at that. Look at that detail. Ooh, it just oozes. The wood paneling, the library feel, out into the hallway and then into another sitting room area. We've got almost framed windows here. Look at this framing detail with all this artistry detailed in here in this carving. Just wonderful. Then these tiles stand out. Quite different again. Not fitting in with the rest, but certainly giving it that pop feel. And then this almost ice-like coffee table in the middle with this similar type sculpture. So it's quite incredible going through this Upper West Side home. Stately it is. Look at that ceiling. Oh my gosh, illuminated and all the detail with LED light. Just a wonderful designer Art Deco feel. And into the dining room, parquet floors. Again, let's jump back there. Parquet floors here, wrapping around. Lovely design too with these lines coming out. And a chevron style around the rest of it. Just simply wonderful. Those frame windows again as we head on through. Look at that. Oh yes, it's wonderful use of tiles, subway tiles with these wonderful tiles here that should almost look like bottles, don't they, sitting out there. Then we've got a wood paneled casing here, which is probably heating hidden behind there. Wouldn't be surprised. And there we have some more detail as well around the fireplace. Simply delicious. It is one of New York's best homes at $65 million. And there's the kitchen, big island in the middle, big sink too, nice and deep, double French doors out, and then we have a pullback shot there, a border used along here with the splashback in a lovely white stone with grey vein there. Good use of stainless, lots of cupboards here too, and the view outside to the main street and the city. It's simply wonderful. Look at this. Look at this stained glass here. Look at the detail here, fine detail of this night here. Just impressive. Red, then we've got some others at the back here. It's all detailed. The ground we can see as well, and we can see the soil here, and a castle. Is it in the background? I think so. So lots of detail there. in the LED light. Wood paneling again, showing us off the detail and design and high quality of this home. It is top shelf for sure. We see a raised back sofa there too. Again, a light fitting. Look at this, the emerald green. We see emerald green glass here with these almost cylinder-like light casings here from yesteryear, and then an incredible bank of standalone wardrobes which have been put in here to give it some detail and class. Just the love of the owner, loving their own style. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there it is. And yes, indeed. Oh, look at that too. That's a nice one. You've got your old wash bowl here and jug for the olden days when there was no running taps pretty much around the house. And we've got this very nice tile here, almost like a stone tile, tablet tile, and very nice indeed. So pretty impressive bathroom for sure. Onto the landing there, up into one of the bedrooms with a fireplace going. We see timber frames around all the doors as well, which is very nice. Lovely detail. This beautiful light show here, this amazing one here too. It's all happening. There's so much in the hallway. We're just in the hallway, folks. And wood paneling again, amazing rails here, this lovely chair in a crushed velvet in blue, matching him with the carpet on the ground there. Oh yeah, oranges here, orange against the timber, nice high dado rails there, lovely paneling, and beautiful views of the city as well. It really is wonderful, isn't it? What a tremendous home, and the enjoyment they must get from this, and the enjoyment they get from selling it for $65 million would be also very nice as well. But it's a prime location, and it is a very large, regal home in New York's Upper West Side. Look at that. The movie theater, the lounge area, so much detail, this cove ceiling, dome ceiling, beautiful old-fashioned windows here, and just amazing. But a fabric on the wall here, arches as well. So much to talk about. Imagine living here yourself. Wouldn't it be incredible? Look at the fireplace, the timber detail here. You can play your mandolin, and you can enjoy the fact that your drinks and your cupboard, drinks and anything else you've got hidden behind there is hidden behind this detailed, carved, quite intricate door here, both sides, just concealing everything away. This is how it is for the lifestyles of the rich, oh my gosh, and famous. Look at that. Wow, this is just incredible. Oh yeah, onto the landing, looking out over the Hudson, and just a super, super duper home. Oh yeah, loved it. Hope you did too. $65 million. Oh yeah, finishing off with that shot. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, add a comment if you like, and like and share, and we'll give you the address for that. 25 Riverside Drive, New York, 10023. At $65 million, 8 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, 2 partial, 12,000 square feet of home. It was simply delicious. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.